iPhone. Okay, after you have this title, what is the next? The next is you have like a table of content. Okay, so let me go here. Okay, so in this slide over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a blank cell, a blank slide. So we do have a blank slide. I go to the picture. So now we do have this, and if you notice, this is too dark. So I'm going to put the transparency maybe 60%. Okay, so this is the slide. I just adjust the transparency, and then what I'm going to do next is I want to click insert, and I want to click a shape. Okay, basically a rectangle shape like this, a rectangle rounded corners. I click this, I put it over here. Okay, so this is the size, and then what I do is I'm going to align to the center, and I want to align to the middle. So it's on the middle, and then what I'm going to do is I want to change the color. So I'm going to put this as this color over here, and I want to put 50%. Okay, so we have a 50% transparency, and I remove the outline. Okay, so you have like this, and then what I'm going to do is I want to go to insert, and then I go to icon. All right, so I click icon, so automatically the icon box will appear. And the next step what I do is I put find. Okay, I click find so that we have the find icons. I click this, and I press insert. So now we do have this insert icon, so I click this over here, I put it over here. Okay, so we do have an insert icon. What next is I'm going to put here sales of Apple products in India. I highlight all these, I make it bigger. Okay, and of course I'm going to put this as black color so that you can see clearly. So we do have sales of Apple products in India. And then what I'm going to do next is I want to click insert the box, shapes, rectangle. Okay, and I want to draw it over here, and then I'm going to go to the home. I go here, I put here this bullet numbering, and I want to talk about geography. Okay, and then I want to talk about the products in Apple, and then number 3 I want to talk about the sales. Okay, online versus store. So if just see, it depends on you. Of course, you sometimes if you work as an accountant, human resource, or logistics, you have your own data. Sometimes you'll be presenting about the product, sometimes you'll be presenting about the revenue or expenses, so it depends on you. So I'm giving you just a sample. So I'm going to select all these, I put it on the left, so we do have this data, and then I'm going to put this color over here, and I want to put it as 50%, and then I go to shape format, shape outline. So now what I'm going to do is let me put this as black color. Okay, so this format I want to create an animation, so I go to the animations, and then I just choose fade so that it will appear, and then this thing over here I choose as float in. So I click float in, and I choose effect options of float down. Okay, meaning to say what I'm trying to do is, if just say I put slideshow, so what I'm trying to say is I click this, it shows the sales of Apple products in India. And then what I'm going to talk is I'm going to talk about the geography, the product, and also about the sales.